Please look for her one last time, okay?
Today everyone's just throwing cash at me. I guess it's the universe rewarding my good deeds.
Please look. I'm begging you. If you need more, I can get it to you.